Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to wash copper vessels. First, gather your supplies: a soft cloth or sponge, white vinegar, and salt. You'll want to avoid abrasive materials that could scratch the beautiful copper surface. Mix equal parts of white vinegar and salt to form a simple, yet effective, cleaning paste. This natural solution is excellent for tackling tarnish and restoring shine without harsh chemicals. Apply it gently and let it sit for a few minutes. For those more stubborn spots or areas of tarnish, a simple lemon and salt combination works wonders. Cut a lemon in 1/2 and dip the cut side into some salt. Then, gently rub this natural abrasive over the tarnished areas using small, circular motions. The acidity of the lemon combined with the mild abrasion of the salt helps lift away discoloration. After cleaning, always rinse your copper vessel thoroughly with warm water to ensure all cleaning agents are removed. Once your copper vessel is clean, drying it immediately is crucial to prevent unsightly water spots. Use a clean, soft towel to thoroughly dry the entire surface. For an extra layer of protection and a brilliant shine, you can apply a thin layer of commercial copper polish or even a natural oil like linseed oil. Buff the surface gently with another clean, soft cloth. This step helps maintain its beautiful luster and protects it from future tarnish. To keep your copper vessels looking their best, remember a few essential care tips. Always avoid harsh chemicals, steel wool, or abrasive scrubbers, as these can damage the surface. Regular cleaning, perhaps once every 2 to 4 weeks depending on use, will prevent heavy tarnish from building up. Finally, store your copper items in a dry environment, away from excessive humidity, to minimize oxidation and maintain their beautiful, warm glow for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.